Very good morning, students. Uh, which batch students are attending the session? May I know, please? Engineering students,
Ma'am from BCA,
BCA.
BCA and BTech.
A very good morning to all the students once again, and I thank to CTU University for giving me this opportunity to present this concept, this topic, strategies for generating innovative leverage AI technology. I, Pushpa Singh, is working as an assistant professor in School of University Greater Noida, and very happy to meet all of you, uh, computer science students. So I hope that you all are aware what is AI. So I hope all of you are aware what is AI and how AI is affecting our daily life. So what actually is AI? When we want computers or machines to do our tasks, then that is the effect of AI. You can say that human intelligence is simulated by machines. How AI is solving our problems? As you have seen that in our surroundings there are a lot of AI tools available with us that are helping in our daily life. They help us in analyzing data and providing automation to do our repetitive tasks and provide personalized experiences. So you might have heard about Alexa. Alexa is providing you to do your daily life tasks by providing you suggestions and all. There are a lot of AI algorithms that are helping you in analyzing data, building models, and on that basis, providing you the insights into the data. How personalized experiences are provided by AI. As you might have seen that whenever you are accessing some web portal, for example, let's say you are going to the site of Amazon, okay, and you are searching for something, then later on you will see that whatever searches you have done, all those personalized recommendations appear in your web searching, isn't that? So why is it happening? Because Amazon or any other e-commerce website is looking into your data, what actually you are searching. And on that basis, it is providing you personalized recommendations on the basis of your search. So AI is everywhere. Let me show you AI in this particular screen as well. Here in my PowerPoint, you can see there is an add-in available. If you click on it, then you will see there are a lot of add-ins provided. One of the add-in is ChatGPT for PowerPoint. If I want to prepare my PowerPoint presentation, for example, if I take this one only, and I want to take help from ChatGPT. I hope you all are aware about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is used for content creation, right? If you want to create content, then you can use ChatGPT in your this particular software. Some add-ins available in PowerPoint itself that are leveraging AI. So I was just telling you ChatGPT for PowerPoint. Autopilot, another tool that is used for creating content, and you can put these add-ins in your PowerPoint software to leverage the AI. Let me once again start the slideshow. Now, why to go for AI? I have shown you that in PowerPoint as well there were some add-ins available. So how AI is affecting our daily life? As you can see from this particular slide, that AI is going to put a lot of impact in how our society is running. If you see PwC research, then AI is going to affect the GDP, global GDP by 14% till 2030. There are other statistics as well available. As you can see, a lot of growth is going to be affected by usage of AI in our society. So this is just the beginning, and lot of impacts of it can be seen in our daily life. Here another slide that is showing you PWC analysis that is showing from 2017 to 2030 how global GDP is going to be affected by usage of AI. As different new technologies are appearing, they are going to affect the way society works, and definitely it is going to change all the dynamics. So definitely nobody can uh, uh, be without affecting by AI. There is another statistic as well that is telling how market size is going to change from 2022 to 2032. As you can see that there is continuous growth in the market that is related to AI. So let's discuss about some of the technologies that AI is going to that you can use by using AI. So the first one is machine learning. What is machine learning? If you provide some input to the machine, then it takes and it is going to learn from it. Whatever data you are providing, on the basis of data, when you will keep it providing lot of data, then the machine is going to learn from it. And it would identify patterns in your data, and on that basis, it is going to help you in making decisions. And that is going to be without human intervention. So there are a lot of machine learning algorithms that are going to help you in building models that are going to take data, identify patterns, and provide you help in decision making. There is another technology that is natural language processing. Natural language processing, you must have used natural language processing, but I'm not sure that you know about NLP or not. Is there any student who can tell me if you have used any kind of applications related to NLP? Any tool that you might have used related to NLP? What is NLP? As I am saying something, okay? If the computer is able to understand it in whatever language I am speaking without grammatical correction and all, if it is able to understand in layman language, then that is known as natural language processing. If you want to work with computers, you must have done coding, right? But now, as we are seeing ChatGPT, ChatGPT takes your prompts in general language, right? So that is an example of, you can say, natural language processing. Computer understands, interprets, and generates human language. There is computer vision as well. Computer vision means computer is going to recognize what is being shown to it. If you uh, provide some image to the computer, for example, if I take the example of Google Lens, right? In Google Lens, what you do, you provide some kind of image, and on the basis of image, the computer recognizes the patterns inside the image, and it is going to provide you the description about the object that is shown to it. And on that basis, it could show you other images as well. Now, where AI is going to be used, or where AI is being used, in fact, AI is used in all the fields, but here I have taken example of some of the fields. AI can be used in healthcare. How AI can be used in healthcare? You can provide medical images to AI. It is going to recognize the image, or it is going to find the pattern in the images. On that basis, it can uh, check what is the problem, or what is the issue in the medical image, and on that basis you can go for drug discovery, and personalized treatment could be provided to the patient. In finance as well, AI can be used for fraud detection by finding the pattern in the usage of uh, whatever you financial transaction you are doing. If something unusual will happen, then AI is going to tell you that something unusual is happening and fraud could be detected. AI can be used for analyzing market data as well and trading opportunities. If you check stock market on the regular basis there is up and down. So AI can set the pattern in trading opportunities and would help you in those fluctuating market trends. You can have customer services as well by providing virtual assistance in finance sector. In the same way, we are having retail. For retail, I just talked about Amazon services, right? If you are going to some e-commerce website, then it provides you personalized recommendation. In the same way, inventory management means all on the basis of requirements, what are the things that are going to be kept in the inventory and visual search as well. We have taken this particular example. In the same way, it can be utilized for marketing and advertising and agriculture as well. Here in this particular slide, I have taken AI for agriculture, and there is one sample example as well I have taken. This particular slide is prepared from the site The Better India. A Bangalore engineer has given an AI powered spot spray robot that is helping approx 500 farmers in Maharashtra and Karnataka. How it is helping? It is helping to reduce pesticides and labor by selectively providing the sprays on crops. I will take you on this particular website. So actually, when we are talking about business ideas, if after this presentation you are interested in finding some business ideas, then this is a very good website where different from different states of India, whatever people are doing related to innovative business, all is available here. So how this particular person has done something innovative that you can find from this website. The site is Better India. There are other things as well available that you can explore at your end. Now, what could be the things that could be done in agriculture by using AI? You could do crop monitoring. What is crop monitoring? How your crop is going, or what is the health of your crop. It could be done by using drones. It could be with AI capabilities that could identify your vast field health. And after recognition or diagnosis, you can move on towards the solution. What is the optimal time for planting? Which planting should be done and in what weather? All that could be identified by using ML pattern finding and improvement in your uh, business could be done. Enhancing crop yield and soil management is another thing. Weed detection and pest management. All these decisions could be taken by the AI instead of you doing it at your end. You can provide your knowledge to the computer and then computer is going to take care of rest of the things. I will take you to this particular video for better understanding the technologies that are going to. Alright, so I have taken this particular video to show you what actually are the technologies that are being used in AI. Okay, but as the video is not audible, I would like to show you one tool actually that I am using for AI in my daily life. So here, this thing might be new for you. As you can see, this might not be in your system when you are using video, right? So what actually I have done, I am using one of the AI tools. Now what this particular tool is doing, when I am running this particular video, then at this time, it is summarizing the video content. So here there is one button that is summarize. So this button, if I click on this, summarize this particular video. It is telling me all the content that is available in this video at each and every point. If I want to expand one part of the video content, then it is showing me the content inside it as well. So this particular tool is helping me analyze a video, right? I can click on this transcript button as well. This transcript is going to provide me the video's transcript. If I am clicking on it, then it is telling me all whatever is being said inside this video. Now I can summarize, analyze a video without seeing it, right? So how it is happening? Because of this particular tool that I am using. Now, if I want to prepare a report for this particular uh, video, then what I can do after summarization, after when I have clicked on summarize, then after this, create tweet, blocks and more. Okay. So here when I have clicked on create tweet or blog, then it is allowing me to different options what I want to do this particular summary. Okay. So in this summary, I can generate tweet from this video, generate post from this video, generate blog from this video. When I'm clicking on blog, then it is opening GPT. So here, entire blog has been written without me doing anything. I have just taken a video, I have prepared summary of it, and after this, I can create a blog. If I want to change the content inside it, then I can fine tune the content in it and I can create a blog. Now, if you see, if someone wants to be a blogger, then this kind of help could be taken from the AI tool. You can content, you can prepare it summary, you can post it without doing lot of effort from the scratch, right? So, what is this particular tool? I have taken Merlin. There are other options as well. I have taken Merlin. Okay, so you can also take this particular tool for analyzing the YouTube videos. Okay, there is upgrade option, but it is free as well. Okay, so you can take this option. There are other things as well. Whatever prompts I have taken and the other things you can do. Okay, let me come back to my presentation. So, as we were discussing about AI for agriculture, I have shown you the technologies that are being used nowadays and how in India as well. I'm not talking about some other country. In India as well, it is happening. So, as we were discussing about this AI and agriculture, and I have shown you one of the tool as well related to AI. In fact, that Merlin tool that I had taken, there is one more. usage of it I would like to show before going further in my presentation. Here I had opened my uh, mail. Okay, so I got this invitation from Apurva ma'am. Okay, now inside this particular mail, as I have taken one of the AI tools, it is helping me. You might not see these buttons in your mail, right? I have opened Gmail only, but I could see some buttons here. So now, what these buttons are doing? They are allowing me to uh, provide the reply. Here is one of the tools, one of the button that is saying AI reply. Why is it appearing? Because I am having Merlin available in my uh, this Gmail. Okay, so when I'm clicking on it, then it is allowing me to uh, reply by using AI. Okay, so I could introduce myself or cold email. There is one another option. I could tell if I want to provide some kind of description to it. So I could introduce myself and then I could write a mail. Or there is cold email that is saying that it is not fine tuning it as per my designation or my requirement. Okay, so it has generated some mail. Now I could fine tune it and I could reduce my task of writing mail from the scratch. Okay. If I want to shorten it, I could shorten it. If I want to improve writing, I could improve writing and simplify as well. Okay. So lots of options are provided to me how I want my mail to be fine tuned. Right. So it is going to give you a starting point of doing the task. You can also use it in your daily life. Then what is the need for innovation in today's business landscape? If I, as I have shown you one of the tools, if I am using it, then it is good for me. I could reduce my time doing repetitive tasks, isn't that? So, what if innovation is not done, or if you are left behind as a computer science student? If you are not learning these technologies, if you are not using AI in your daily life, then what may happen? Let me take some examples from the past. From when I was learning in space, when I was a student, then there was something known as Yahoo. You might have heard about it, but now there is Google. So Yahoo was a huge search engine, but it undervalues the importance of search, and Google is what you know about it. Okay, so there is one more company, Xerox. It first invented PC, which was way ahead of its time, but Xerox thought that it is an expensive thing to do, and it didn't take further initiative, and it is dead now. In terms of PC, you can see still Xerox for Xerox machine only, but not further than that, right? There was Nokia. Nokia phones were very popular, but they were not going for smartphones, and now they are also uh, out of business. You can say as they used to be, in fact. So staying competitive is and how you can be competitive by using meeting customer needs. If you want to think about innovation by using AI, then the first thing you have to do is find in your surroundings what are the problems that you could be or you might be willing to solve. So in fact, I ask my students as well to check in their surroundings what are the problems that are affecting people. And if you are able to provide the solution, then you are good to go. So identifying market needs is very important and then developing feasible solutions for that. These are the key things that you need to do for going in business. So how you can identify market? As I have shown you one of the tools, what that particular tool was doing. Why did I take that tool? Because it was some kind of solution that was solving my problem. Okay, and I had taken it because it was useful for me. In the same way, you need to identify the market need. Any business solution is going to be uh, popular or going to be used by people only when it is fulfilling the need. I have taken two of the examples here and some of the one of the site as well that is having the sales of some of the AI related or AI leverage technologies. So this is a site that is providing you voice enabled AI sales bot. So what they are doing, they are providing the solution to the customers for inquiring local businesses. So if you call, let's say if you are having a business, okay, you get a lot of calls from the customers. Then how to pinpoint each and every customer or how to provide uh, service 24 into 7 to all the customers who might be interested in your business. This AI enabled tool can do that. So AI is bot is going to do that. AI powered invoice claiming system. This is another solution we have. I have taken this from references of that Merlin itself. Okay, so as you can see that I am having its description from the YouTube. So some of the things I have taken from that tool that I have shown. After identifying market needs and thinking about its feasible solutions, what could be done? You need to identify opportunities and connect those problems with AI. So, what AI can do, AI can help you in analyzing your data. You might gather data for that particular problem, and by using patterns, by using machine learning algorithms, hidden insights or hidden patterns inside those data could be identified. And that would help you in uncovering market trends that would lead to towards a business solution. After finding patterns in your data, you may go for predictive modeling. For example, let's say if I talk about Netflix. So Netflix, how it is working? It is providing you suggestions or recommendations, right, of whatever you are interested in seeing. So these consumer insights are taken by Netflix by uncovering the pattern in your searching. Whatever searching you are doing on that basis, it is providing the prediction that you might be interested in that this video or that video, right? So this is how AI can be used for utilizing your business uh, problem solution. Now, after identifying the problem, you need to set some goals for your solution. The first thing is you need to specify your goal. These are the things that you need to keep in your mind while specifying your goal, what actually you want to do. It must be specific, measurable, attainable, all these things you may think about, right? Then you need to put the scope and constraints, how you want to solve the problem. So you have identified one problem, you have thought about solving it. Now you are identifying what I could do with that by specifying the scope and constraint on the basis of your budget resources available with you, right? After that, you may go for the solution. How you can check whether you have solved that problem or not by having some performance metrics. Okay, so you may have some quantitative measure of the performance. On that basis, you can say, yes, this is solving the problem. Now, for doing all this, you need some data as well. From where you are going to get the data that you need to think about. So here, there are some techniques related to AI that help you in generating the idea as well. So there are a lot of tools that are going to help you in AI-driven ideation. So there is one tool, brainstorming assistant. Now, what this is going to do? This is going to help you in finding the patterns in your data and tell you what could be the exact solution, what could be the good solution for the problem that you are telling. Okay. So for example, if you ask ChatGPT something, then it is going to provide you general solution, right? Now there is one more tool here available, that is IBM Watson Assistant. Okay. Now though it is paid, but it is going to provide you much better business-oriented solution for some specific problem. Hopefully, you understand the term brainstorming. Brainstorming means it is going to think about the problem in different angles, and it is going to provide you solution as per your business. After generating the idea, or after generating idea, you may think about the solution. For that, you need some kind of algorithm as well. So which algorithm you may take? There is another popular tool that you can use from Google, Google's DeepMind. It is going to analyze your data and provide you concepts, innovative concepts that is going to help you in another idea generation. After getting the ideas from the AI, you need to tweak it as per customers. Who are your customers and for whom you are going to provide the solution. So you need to identify the customer preferences. For customer preferences, again, there are a lot of uh, platforms available where you may analyze your uh, solution as per customer requirement. For example, there is Amazon. It may help you in AI analysis of your data sources and will tell you whether it is liked by the customer or not. Are the customers going for it or not? Okay. After analyzing your data sources, you may go for personalization of your uh, solution. You may have your product as per specific customer. So here we are having Spotify playlist example. I hope you all of you know that how it is helping each and every uh, customer by providing specific requirements. Now, when you have thought about customers as well, then how you may go for the solution. There is a need of cross-disciplinary collaboration. You cannot work in alone, right? So how you can make your solution diverse so that it could be acceptable by your customers. So for that, you may go for collaboration. And there is Google's DeepMind is one of the examples that is helping healthcare people for healthcare collaboration. So I have provided some of the tools here that are leveraged with AI for going for cross-disciplinary collaboration. Then after that, you may go for prototyping of your solution and testing it. For testing as well, there are certain, for example, Tesla is providing autonomous driving testing. So if you are going for this kind of solution, then you can go for their platform and you may test your solution. For prototyping as well, we are having certain tools, as you can see. After developing your prototype, you may go for experimentation and iteration of your solution. For example, Facebook alpha beta testing. So Facebook is also going for testing. In the same way, you can also use some AI platform for your solution testing. Then you have tested your solution. Then after that, you may go for AI analytics for getting certain insights in your data that you are using for solution. Here I have given Airbnb's example for pricing optimization. So the Airbnb is doing what? It is changing its pricing as per market trends. So AI is doing that and helping it in optimizing their pricing. You may collaborate with partners and Crowdsourcing as well can be used. Ethical considerations are also important when you are going for AI-driven innovation. So there was one of the project of Google's Project Maven. Actually, this particular project was made for some AI solution, but what happened? The Google staff was you asked to create a software for drone targeting, so which it was not considered ethical. And later on, Google has to back off because of the rebellious staff. So, is your solution ethical or not? You should think about that as well. Fairness assurance is also important. If your solution going against someone, then it won't be considered fair. It should not harm someone. If you think that your solution is innovative, then you may go for intellectual property protection as well.
I wanted to extend my heartfelt gratitude for the enlightening session, ma'am. Your expertise and insights were truly invaluable, providing us with a deeper understanding of how AI can revolutionize the landscape of business innovation. Thank you once again, ma'am, for sharing your knowledge and expertise with us. I want to just show a small token of love on behalf of State University.